Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best VPN for PUBG. Let's start. If your device is Android, go to Play Store. Or if your device is Apple, go to App Store. Then search X-VPN. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. In the first step, select I agree. Then tap on I'm ready. After that, choose allow. Skip the tutorial and tap on use with ads. In this step, choose ask app not to track. And finally, tap the button to connect. Amazing! Also, if you want to disconnect from this great VPN, tap on the button again. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe in our channel so that you can find a host of clever features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.